What's going on, guys? Romer the Roamer here. In this video, I'm going to break down a new thing I'm doing for the next 75 days. And I'm just sharing this with you guys to commit to you guys and show you guys that I'm actually going to fulfill this. And really put some pressure on myself, so if I don't fulfill this, I know I told you guys, I know I told everybody here that I was going to do this, and I would feel really bad if I lied to you guys. And I don't like lying. So I'm going to break down what I'm going to do over the next 75 days. So thing number one, and this is modeling somebody else. I don't know their name. I got the idea from Watch Me Amazon. If you guys want to go watch that interview, it's down below. I interviewed an 8-figure Amazon seller, Watch Me Amazon, big wholesale guy. And at the end, I asked him about working out or something, and he brought up the 75-day challenge. And I was like, dude, I was on the live show. I was like, I'm going to commit to this. This sounds fucking amazing. I'm going to do this. So here are a few things. It's not that much, but you guys know how it is. Doing things consistently over time is very difficult. And I've tried doing things like this last year. I actually messaged all my friends and I was like, hey, I want to get together and just make 5 commitments that we're going to do every single day that we know is going to make our life better. If we do these 5 things every day of my life, our lives are going to be so much better. So I sent everyone and I added us all to a Facebook group, right? I added us all to a Facebook group and I said, all right, every day you just got to post in here that you did what you said you were going to do. So if you didn't post, you'd be kicked out of the group. And a couple people got kicked out, and then I had to kick myself out. And I was the owner of the group. So this is not gonna happen this time. Posting a YouTube video with you guys. Comment below if you want to do some type of accountability commitment right now. Even if it's just one thing a day, comment below, and I will hold you to that. I'll come back to this video at the end of the challenge, and I really will. I'm working on being a man of my word. So when I say something like that, I mean it. But here are the things. I'm gonna make a note to add that to calendar. So all of you guys who comment below, I'll come back and check with you in 75 days. Did you keep up with your commitments or not? Just something if you want to do it. Here's what I'm committed to. 2 workouts every day. So one of these workouts is going to be running, lifting weights, or calisthenics. Something very physical. Think of like something Muhammad Ali would do, or a college athlete. The next workout is going to be yoga. So I have to do 2 workouts a day. One is tougher. The other is going to be more about opening up, because it's a big goal of mine to be able to open up. You guys can tell this is going to be good to document this. I document everything on YouTube, so when I'm 80, I can come back and see my progress. But you guys see, this is me, and you guys can't see my hands, but my hands are going like this above my head. That's like, it's really bad. I can't put my hands directly above my head. It's hard, it's very stressful, so, or not stressful, but I don't have much range of motion. And when I dance, I'm a dancer now, oftentimes I'm doing moves that require, I'm doing like this behind the head with girls, and it's just, you can see me compensating by leaning really far back. And I've always had back pain. I don't have as much back pain as I did when I was younger. When I was younger, I actually had more back pain. Part of it's because I wrestled. I'm not wrestling right now. But my lower back has an arch in it. So the second workout is going to be stretching, specifically the upper body. My upper body has been neglected in terms of stretching. Obviously, not neglected in terms of working out. You guys can see this. You guys can see this here. And I'm really not even working out that hard right now. So at the end of this 75-day challenge, I'm going to be looking insane, because I am going to be doing upper body workouts as well. Just calisthenics, maybe like 100 dips and 100 pull-ups a day, which is enough for someone as skinny as me with low body fat just to look fucking ripped as hell. The video's about to die, so I got to get into these next things. 10 pages of nonfiction. So currently I'm reading this, which is fiction. This is a good book. Paulo Coelho is my favorite author. And then also, by the way, guys, I have so many good books. Release Your Brakes. Very good book if you want to learn how to release your brakes and get successful faster. A lot of us have brakes on that fuck us up, but watch this book real quick. Watch this book real quick. What does that mean, watch this book real quick? Look at this book. This is all about, this is a tough book to read. So 10 pages of this is Fooled by Randomness. It's all about how most things in life we think we can explain. We think it's cause and effect, but most of it's random, according to this guy. So I'll give a better summary of that book if you guys follow me on social media, probably my Instagram. That'll also be below. So 10 pages of nonfiction, that's currently the book I'm reading. No sugar. No sugar, and this is my definition of no sugar. I'm not going like crazy keto or anything like that. There's sugar in everything. There's sugar in sauce. There's sugar in so much stuff. I'm not saying I'm not gonna eat sugar. What I'm saying is no added sugar. So I'm not gonna drink a sugary drink. No soda, nothing like that. What else has sugar? Sweets, like any type of added sugar. It's like obviously sugar, but if it's like honey, natural, you know, I'm putting it in oatmeal. Little things that I'm not gonna stress over it. I know honey's loaded with sugar, and I'm a hypocrite for doing it, but these are my rules, and this is what I'm sticking to, okay? So the point is no added sugar, things I know that are bad for me. A gallon of water a day, which I'm still fucking thirsty somehow. I've been drinking a lot of water and peeing like crazy. I don't know why I'm so thirsty. I smoked cigarettes last night, so maybe that's why. Cigarettes are not good for you. I do it every once in a while. I'm not a smoker, but man, I woke up feeling like almost hungover. I'm not even drinking right now. And progress pick. And by the way, this is also something I want to commit to you guys. I'm not drinking. I'm drinking once a season for the next 5 years. This is a big commitment. But for the next 5 years, I'm 25 right now, so I want to go ahead and smooth out my 20s for the next 5 years, and I'm not going to drink. Hold on, I'm shooting a YouTube video.
Can I come in?
I'm shooting a YouTube video.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, you want to come in it? This famous Jameson Philippi. I'm making commitments to everybody. Do you want to make any commitments for the next 75 days?
I'll be committed to you for the next 75 days.
He's committed to me for the next 75 days. He's going to come on here and comment below that he's committed to me for the next 75 days. I'm going to remind everybody who comments. So you better comment something.
All right. We're going to leave in like 5 minutes for dinner.
Okay.
Are you ready to go? Are you going to bring everybody with?
No, I got to upload this video and then I'll come with you.
Okay.
Is Ray can come in too?
Yeah, he had to go pick up Iris.
Okay, cool.
So, yeah.
Just edit this part, J-Mac. Make it look cool. You can add him coming in for a second. So I'm going to take a progress pic each day. Look at this, dude. Look at this progress pic.
So
you see this? Look at. Take a progress pic each day. No sugar. Gallon of water a day. 10 pages. Nonfiction. 2 workouts every single day. Woo! And I've, on top of this, just to, not even to brag, but just talk about, and this, I really don't even think this is bragging. Like, I'm not, let me phrase this. I am a person, I work very hard, I get very obsessed. Very obsessed. But, that being said, I have trouble focusing. So I've been good at focusing for about 3 to 4 hours every day, where I block out this period, no interruptions, and I have 4 hours, no interruptions every day. And again, I said 3 because I've even slacked on that. But that's something that's etched into my brain. I know when I wake up, okay, there's my 4-hour block. I'm gonna bang everything out, all my business stuff. So if you guys notice, none of this is business stuff. All of this is, you could argue the 10 pages nonfiction could be business if I'm reading a business book, but none of this is helping me build my business. But I think it's gonna allow me to build momentum for my business, because my body's gonna be so much healthier. Over the last few years, I've neglected my body in terms of working out. I was an athlete, I wrestled in college, I was lifting weights, I was always eating healthy, and when I came into the world of business and world of being an adult, I was like, you know what, none of that matters anymore. I'm just gonna go focus really hard on business. I saw fat, successful business people, I saw successful business people super skinny, and I was like, you know what, you don't need this. And surprisingly, I'm still fucking sexy. Like, my muscles are still there. Not like they were before, but you guys will see me at the end of the 75-day challenge. Progress pics on Instagram every day. Make sure you follow below. Guys, that's it. That is it. I'm etching new things into my brain. Etching new habits. It takes months to etch habits in your brain, so go ahead, etch them. Comment below what habits you're gonna etch into your brain. Much love, guys. Peace out. I will catch you in the next video. By this point in this video, you should have, if you watched the whole thing, I don't know why you're not subscribed yet. The subscribe button's just right there. If you want more raw, real content like this, subscribe. Peace out, family. Much love.